What's up everyone? I'm Oz, and in this video I will be talking to you about Smart Cell. It's one of the features of 3commas. So yeah, let's have a look at Smart Cell. So once you log into your 3commas account under Smart Trade, we have the option of Smart Cell. Just like Smart Trade, Smart Sell is a way of setting up your stop losses and take profits. The only difference is that Smart Sell is used in the case when you already have that token. In terms of Smart Trade, you're buying and then placing the stop loss and the take profits. But in case of Smart Sell, you're basically selling and placing your take profits and your stop loss on top of it. So in this example, we'll take BTC as one of the tokens, and then you can choose by percentage if you want to sell, how much percentage you want to sell, or you can place an amount over here. So let's say that we go with 10%, and then over here in the bought price you can say, okay, I bought this at say 31, and then from there we move on. Just like Smart Trade, we move on here. We put up our profits, so we split the targets. Let's place a lot of targets in this one. So 25% and 10%, then another 25% at 15, then maybe at let's use all of the possible targets. So now we are left with another 15%, and this again same like Smart Trade. We turn on trailing. We're taking at 6. So over here we place it at 6%. There you go. At target, we all set. And then in case, see, you don't have to place stop loss all the time. If you feel that you don't want to be if you don't want to use stop loss, so you don't have to use stop loss and use it as it is and create the trade. But in our case, if we are going up to 50%, let's say in case of this, you say, okay, I want to keep a stop loss at like 25 or something, not that close, and I want it to be trailing on, for example, and I want this to be on as well. And let's say 300 seconds, about 5 minutes, so I don't want 5 minutes. Let's say 180 seconds up to 3 minutes. Okay, so once everything is done, you click on create trade, and then you check all the parameters. So here you can see we have used like 4, 10%, 15%, 43%, and 60%. The 60% has trailing on, and you can add your notes here if you want. In my case, I'm okay, and you can see that the stop loss is at 25%. Even the timeout is at 180%. Your bought price, the total amount that you want to sell units in BTC, and then the USD amount that you will receive. Once you've checked everything, just press confirm, and it's all set. And then you can forget about it and not worry about this trade pretty much forever. So again, just like Smart Trade, Smart Sell really helps to let go of your coins at a time when you want to, and not like your panic sell, but you already have your planned take profits that you want to sell the coin on. And so it makes it so easy for you to do things. So if you have a look at it, this is our whole deal. And then you have the stop loss here. This shows that this was your buy price. You already at 6.5% profit. This is where it sell first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, and the fourth take profit. So additionally, what you can do in this scenario where you have already purchased something is that, you know, if in case you like, oh my god, the market is falling and I'm still in, for example, if you're here somewhere and you're like, okay, I just want to close at market price. So once you click on this, this whole deal is going to get closed at the market price. So that's like 0.1 BTC would be sold at the market price, or whatever is left, you know, in case you're here. In case of edit, you already know, if you edit, you'll come back onto this screen. Cancel is to cancel the deal. That means it will cancel the deal. For example, if your first take profit was hit and then you cancel the deal, so 25% of your BTC would already be sold, but the rest is cancelled and you'll still have your BTC. Another interesting feature that I wanted to tell you guys about is ad funds. For example, this is your buy price and BTC falls, say, here. So what you want to do is, instead of going and buying more BTC separately and then making a different deal for it, you already have all your take profit set up. So you simply go here, click on add funds, and you'll have this window that pops up, where you can add funds to the current deal. So again, in this case, you can add funds at market price as well as limit order. So let's say I want to add funds. How much amount? This shows what's available to you. So how much amount you want to say, okay, fine, I want to use 10%. What price? I want to buy at, say, 29. Okay. So once you've checked that this is what you want to do, click on save. And then once you add funds, it refreshes the deal that you have created, and now you can see that behind your buy order there's like a placed mark at the mark that we said. You've added funds over here, which is great. So you are basically DCAing it, and then that would pretty much increase your profit as well. On the right side here, you can see your profit and loss as well. So far what you have made or lost. And once you add funds here, your average buy price will automatically get, they will calculate it automatically. So that is also another benefit of adding funds here rather than buying separately, because then you don't know your average buy price. But in this case, your average buy price will be calculated. Once it hits this, it will recalculate your average buy price, which would be somewhere around here. So yeah, so this is add funds. And another thing is that, for example, normally this is not here. You click on it, as it's not open, it's there. You click on it and you can see already that your one take profit is placed at these prices. And then this one is the first one, I believe. This is the last one, the market one. So they show it at the market, sell at market price. Actually, all of them sell at market price, but these are limit orders. Then here we have placed the fund, the ad funds that we did. It's over here. So, and you know the price. So in case you want to cancel this, you can just come over here and cancel the ad fund. That will only cancel the ad funds, but not the whole deal. And then you can again add funds accordingly or not, whatever. And this will remain here as a reference to you. So that, for example, later on you want to go and add funds, you know, okay, this is the price I was looking at to add funds. So this was the smart sell feature of 3commas, which is great. It's again whatever you were holding before you subscribe to 3commas. If you subscribe to 3commas before, whatever you were holding, you can place smart sell. You can use smart sell to place orders where you can already place your take profits and everything, and put your notes and whatever you want to do, and it makes life super easy. You don't have to worry about when the market is going up or down. Their orders are already placed, and you can have some quality time with your family and friends. If you like this video, do smash the like button. Do subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and please do share with your friends and whoever want in your community, whoever you feel would be more interested in this, because this, to be honest, is something that is, wow, it's so helpful, so helpful. And this could be done on all the exchanges that you have. So that itself is a blessing. Just let me just quickly show you, because I'm using trade paper account right now, so it's showing the paper account. But normally when you click here, you'll have the list of all the exchanges, and then you can pick the exchange and the pair, and then the process is the same. You go to smart sell and you place your order, and then you can play around with it over here. So again, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.